welcome to Himalayan Chronicles. I hope you're enjoying our channel. Today I'm back to the gadget review once again. We have purchased a new camera, DJI Osmo Action 4 guys, adventure combo. You can see the box. Today I'm going to unbox it for you. So a lot of features are available. Right from the sensor is also heavy sensor, 1 by 1.3 inch sensor guys, 10-bit D-Log with a better color reproduction, deep freeze resistant battery guys, yes, deep freeze resistant battery, and then 4K 120 frames 155 degrees FOV, and then you also have a quick release magnetic unlock and lock 360 degrees horizon steady, means you can turn the camera but still it leveling the horizon is perfect. Waterproof up to 18 meters and dual touchscreen guys. So let's unbox it quickly. So this is the packaging, very beautiful packaging guys, DJI. So this is the camera and it's on its glory. So when I open this, I have two compartments, Osmo Action and accessories. Let's pull this one, Osmo Action. Let me show you the beautiful camera. Wow. So what are the items available here? So this is the camera guys in all its glory. Wonderful camera, similar to Osmo Action 1 and also Osmo Action 3, but sensor size is different. You can see the lens 155 view options and also 1 by 1.3 inch sensor. So let me turn on this guy. So before we turn on, let's see what is it in the inbox, what items are available in this particular packaging. Wonderful guys, I really like this, very handy. So let's keep it aside. And this is an extra lens cover, but please ensure when you use this cover it is no longer waterproof. So it is like a lens hood, we call it lens hood. Okay, so let's see what are the accessories we have. So coming to the accessory box, this is the accessory box, accessories. So I'm going to open this. So you have a lot of items over here. So this is the cage, so where I can slide this beautiful camera into the cage. So let me slide it and I'll show you how to slide it. So like this, I'm going to slide this for better protection of the camera, and I will be locking it. So you can see this is a magnetic connectors, down also magnetic connectors, so you can record both horizontal and vertical. And here you can see this is the SD card, I think USB-C cable. So you can see the USB-C cable inside, USB-C cable guys. Wow. So let's come out of this cage again and I'll show you how to open the battery. And outside you can see this so guys, you can see this is the battery connector. So I open this, I insert the battery like this. There's a notch over here. You need to use this notch to pull the battery out like this. And this is the SD card slot, the mini SD card slot guys. So I just close it, you can see, tight and shut. So before we turn on the camera, let me show you the other items that we receive from this beautiful camera guys. So this is the magnetic latch system, so that you can mount this camera in both vertical and horizontal. If you see this, so you just click like this, that's it. And pretty strong guys, very strong. When I open this, I need to press the sides of this button and I can unlock it. Magnet is pretty strong guys, very strong magnet. And if I use this cage, I can vertically mount it as well, like this. Very strong, see, very strong. Oh god, yeah, very strong guys. So you get two magnetic systems, one for helmet mounting or any mounting that you want to do, chest mount, and chin mount, head mount. So this is the magnets guys, powerful magnets. So let's keep it aside. And then we also get this helmet mount. There's a helmet mount available. You mount it on the helmet guys. So you also have this nut where you can fix it to this particular magnetic mount. and I can fix it to any of the different helmet mounts and so on. Even without case also I can fix this particular magnet. As you can see, it's very tight. Wow. So let me show you the two combos it comes, guys. So adventure combo, as mentioned in this box, adventure combo, this includes 3 batteries and a invisible stick. So when I press this button, 2 lights are coming, so 2 batteries are there already, so I can charge it, these 2 batteries. And similarly I can use these batteries to charge my mobile also. I can connect a USB-C mobile and I can charge my mobile. Reverse charging is also supported. So wonderful, guys. And battery capacity almost 130 minutes I am getting at 4K 30 frames per second. So 3 batteries, almost you are like you can record up to 4 hours if you have 3 batteries fully charged. And fast charging, it supports 80% fast charging, guys. In 80%, in 18 minutes I can charge up to 80%. So it's wonderful. So let's keep it aside. What else we have? Let me see. So in this box, down below I can see a big invisible stick, guys. Yes, this stick will actually goes to up to 1.5 meter, 1.5 meter, guys. And as you can see, so this nut can be used to fix it, and then I can fix it, this particular adapter like this. So like this adapter I can fix it. Wonderful, guys. Wow. So DJI Memo, DJI Action. Wow. And here there is a tripod screw also. You can fix it to any of the other tripods if you have additional tripods. So overall wonderful. I really like it. So let's put it inside. Okay. And the way the packaging is ultimate. Small box, everything they have included. I get a cage. I get 2 magnetic adapters. I get a lens hood. I get the camera, wonderful camera, and also I get this battery system, as you can see. So let's turn on the camera. Let me show you the different approaches here. So dual screen, guys, both are touch screens, okay? So I need to press this now. So as you can see, it just powered on. The camera has powered on. And it has got various features available. So right now I am at 4K resolution. I can change the resolution over here. It goes all the way up to 16:9 and 120 frames to get a super slow motion, guys. So wonderful. So that feature is there. Ideally I keep it at 60 frames per second, and this is a horizontal balancing. As I mentioned, if I tilt it, it won't tilt up to 45 degrees. So it maintains the horizontal balancing. Horizon steady. There are so many features available. So you can see horizon steady, and then I can have rock steady, which means even when the camera is shaking or the object is shaking, the image will be stabilized. Similarly, I have rock steady, 1, 2 options, rock steady and rock steady plus. So please remember, it is going to crop the image a bit. As you can see, the image is getting cropped. So I normally use horizontal balancing for my video shooting, okay? And similarly, if I change the mode, screen switch, basically it comes to front screen. And great, guys, the front screen is also, touch screen. So when I press this particular button, I can increase the brightness, decrease the brightness. Ideally, I keep it at 40 to save on the battery percentages. And here I can have additional snapshot. There's a new feature. When I press this button, it directly turns on the camera and you can take a video immediately. Similarly, voice control. I can control the camera with the voice. OTG connection, where I can connect to Android system. Wireless connection. And compression. Compression, I can record in HEVC, which is highly efficient, or compatible H.264. 2 options are available. And sounds, I can make it medium, high, low. Similarly, additional features like power off after certain time, LED on or off. Horizontal calibration means when you use the horizontal balancing, you need to calibrate the camera so that it records the proper coordinates. And I can see a lot of options, date and time, language. I can format my device and so on. And similarly, Here I can have, this is orientation lock, voice control, and this is for zooming for the front screen. So I can make my front screen as a viewfinder, or I can zoom it on the subject, and this is for locking, screen locked. When I press this button again, it's going to switch to back mode. So I'm going to unlock it. So guys, so this is the overall options available. When I click on the video, I get photo mode, video mode, then slow motion, then time lapse. 4 options are available. Within time lapse, I have time lapse, sunset, custom, clouds. Similarly, hyperlapse. This is for fast projection, auto, 2x, 4x. Both of them support 4K resolution. Similarly, if I go to slow motion, this also supports 4K guys, up to 120 frames. You can see 4K 120. Similarly, I can go to photo mode. Here I can control my photography aspect ratio 4:3 or 16:9. Countdown 3 seconds or up to 10 seconds to use as a selfie camera. So this is overall very simple interface and very fast responsive. And also the footage includes invisible stick. Even if I use a stick, I can disappear the stick in my videos. So that's a new feature. So this is a power button and also the photo button. And this is a beautiful lens front screen. And there is a mic over here. 2 holes are there. And this is a temperature controller. I mean to say color temperature controller. Basically, depending on the outdoor color, it fixes that particular color, It fixes automatically the video coverage. And there is a magnetic system. And as I shown you the USB-C controller here. USB-C. And similarly, here you have DJI, the battery. So I'm going to shut down now. I just turn it off. So that's the overall feature guys. So with the camera and with this cage, I can use it both for durability, and also they are giving 3 batteries in adventure combo. The only difference is standard combo, you won't get this one and the invisible stick. Rest of the items you will get. Overall the build quality is good durable, but I suggest plan a scratch guard or something, to both the screens, since we will be using a lot on the touch screen. Better to have a scratch guard. And also you have this particular nut which is given to fix this magnetic to different mounts guys. You might be wondering, this magnetic mount is not so strong, but in fact it is very strong and it's not easy to pry it open. So if I lock it, click sound will come. Oh god, see how hard it is. I can't even open it. So click sound has come. Now it's impossible to unlock it without pressing these 2 buttons at the side. Oh god. So these are 2 buttons guys. So overall it's a very good package, as I can say. So this is the Osmo Action guys. I have fixed this magnetic mount to this elastic extension rod. Wonderful. And now I am going to fix this camera. How to fix it? See, tick sound will come and that's it. Camera is fixed. That's how you fix it guys. Wonderful. See the beauty of this extension rod. I can extend all the way to 1.5 meter almost. That's good. And also invisible stick, I'm going to show you how it looks in the video. So welcome to Action 4 guys. Welcome to Action 4, full Osmo Action in all its glory. So we are using this camera and this includes extension rod, 3 batteries and battery case. That's the difference of adventure combo and the normal combo. And here you can see lot of features are available. 1 by 1.3 sensors, stunning low light, especially low light it is very good, 10-bit, and also deep freeze resident long lasting battery, 4K resolution 120 frames, quick release, horizon steady and waterproof up to 18 meters guys, and dual touchscreen. So there is a DJI Memo app. I'll show you the app. So stay tuned guys. I'll show you the app in detail. This box has got camera, 3 batteries, battery case, extension rod, 2 screws, and Type-C cable, adapter mounts 2, and curved base and protective frame. That's overall. I hope you like this video. So let's quickly connect to the camera using the mobile, and I will record the interface, the different options available. So stay tuned guys. Overall I really like it. So let's welcome our Osmo Action 4 to Himalayan Chronicles. So guys, after connecting the Osmo Action camera to the DJI Mimo app, I go to video mode. You can see a lot of features, 4K, I can change the settings, and also I can change the frame rate. The frame rate 60 to 120 frames per second. Here the exposure, manual or auto. And go to pro settings. I also see that horizontal balancing, rock steady, and so on. All these features can be customized as per the needs. Horizontal balancing, as I mentioned, it will balance in the horizontal way. And when you go to photo mode, here you can select the different selfie mode, 16:9, 4:3, including exposure settings. And also you can select wide or standard mode, and how much wide you need, and as well as you also can select live streaming here, and as well as you can also select timer. In slow motion, I can select from 1080p to 4K, and also I can specify the speed and exposure settings, and also I can select wide or standard, and as well as other features like voice mode. And also I have time lapse here. Time lapse, I can select 4K, yes 4K, and then exposure settings, manual or auto, and also the different FOV, standard or wide setting, and so on. I can change the time lapse video output, either video or JPG or video plus JPG. Similarly, hyperlapse 4K 2.7K I can select. I can select the speed as auto, and also I can select the FOV as ultra wide, wide or standard, and also I can select the various other options available as per the requirement. I can see the color settings as well, normal or 10-bit option. Hope you like the review. Do like, share and subscribe to Human Chronicles, guys. Thank you very much.